Immobiliser fit, and this is a brand new 2024 plate Lamborghini Urus Performante, one of only a few in the country at the moment. As you see, it's only got 850 miles on it, and the customer wants it secure, so they've gone for a Starline Pro. So this system, if a thief got the key and went to steal the vehicle, they're going to start it up, but as soon as they put it into gear, the vehicle's going to cut out, they're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, the vehicle's died. We get a start-stop system inactive. If they keep trying, it's going to keep stalling, then eventually just won't start. To drive this, the customer can choose from having a Bluetooth phone paired up, an optional Bluetooth tag, which you have the battery out at the minute, or a push sequence. So a lot of people like the phone, so if we just turn the Bluetooth on, obviously this has an adjustable range, so you can leave the Bluetooth on. When you leave the vehicle, it goes out of range. When you come back, it comes into range. I'm only turning it off for demonstration, but it's on at the minute. It can be locked in your pocket, get in and start. We hear a disarm tone, we can drive away, and the vehicle remains running. You can also choose from a tag, so if I just turn the Bluetooth off for demonstration, pop the battery into this tag. Now all I have to do is just have this in my wallet, in your pocket, Bluetooth's off on the phone like it's not here. The vehicle starts up and disarms, we can drive away. Obviously there's instances where people forget their phone, they leave their tag, and they want to be able to drive their vehicle. So to do that, you can use a code. I'll just pop the battery out of this to demonstrate. So now what you'll do is you'll start the car. You hear no immediate tone, obviously, because the devices are out of range. So before you put it in gear, you put a unique code in. We have 1, 2, 3, just for the video. Hear that disarm tone, and now we can drive away. Obviously, this code can be more sophisticated. It can be between 3 and 21 presses across a combination of multiple buttons. The customer can choose, it's totally up to them. Obviously, just 3 presses is for the video. This system also has a service mode, so when it goes back to Lamborghini to get serviced, you can just turn the system off entirely until you get it back. This can be done either through the app, so we'll turn the Bluetooth on. Once it's connected up, you'll see day to day we have the green circle, meaning the vehicle's protected. So as you see, it's protected at the minute. Taking it for a service, you'll press and hold on the app. This will spin round and go to yellow. When it does, we'll let go. And we get 2 bleeps within the vehicle. This basically means it's a normal vehicle now. No need to leave them the tag or the phone or tell them the code. It's just going to start and drive without a push sequence. When you get it home, make sure you turn it back on. So to do that, same in reverse, press and hold from yellow till it goes green. When we let go, we get 2 bleeps and the system's protected. You can also do this with the Bluetooth tag. So to do it with the tag, you just get in the car, press and hold. The green light's going to go solid and start flashing rapidly. Now when we let go, 2 bleeps is into service mode. As you see, the app's updated, and also on the tag, we now have an orange yellowy light to confirm it's in service mode. To take it back out, we recommend using the same device you used to put it in. So we did the tag. So again, we'll press and hold, it will go solid, flash rapidly. We let go, 2 bleeps, and the system's secure and back on. If the customer wants to change the code on this, what they'll have to do is turn the ignition on. First, disarm the system. We have the phone and the tag, so we've heard the disarm tone, so we can skip that step. Now we'll pull one of the buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off. Back on again, we get 5 bleeps. It's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. We'll wait for a confirmation. And repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for another confirmation. That's the code learnt. We can turn the vehicle off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante with only 850 miles on. One of only a few in the country. Has a push sequence compared to a phone. Can also have an optional Bluetooth tag in case you don't want to do the code, you don't have your phone on you all the time. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.